Interesting to say, to hear Michael suggest there that we have got this nervousness around further defaults in China. Do you think this is going to continue for some time? Because that story could be never ending almost.
We'll have to watch. We did see the first corporate default last week, and that really sent shivers through the market, and we are seeing a big reaction in terms of commodities, especially copper and iron ore, which is used as collateral in loans in China. Not only that, we are seeing the growth rate in loans also declining, and we know that China's growth has been fueled along by the growth that we've seen in credit and the growth that we've seen in money supply as well. So our market not doing too badly today. We were down by 0.6%, but definitely off the lows of the session. And amazing to see the materials sector as well as the healthcare sector trading high today, especially given that we have seen those iron ore stocks under so much pressure. It is China jitters which is dominating the market, and we've seen the Shanghai Composite down by 0.7%. And I think it's worthwhile just having a look at the chart for the Shanghai Composite. This is over the past year, and you can see that we see a strong level of support around that 2,000 point mark. We're below that at the moment, so the next couple of sessions are going to be important. It looks like the market's signalling that potentially we could see a bounce off these levels, and that would ease some of the concerns in the market. But of course, if we do see another step lower, that would signal that we are going to be looking at the lowest point that we've seen in around about a year for the Chinese stock market. So just monitoring that situation very closely. Of course, lots happening here domestically as well. Consumer confidence down by 0.7%, and we did see stocks like JB Hi-Fi down by 3.7%. We also saw housing finance unchanged in the month of January. The gold price was a standout, up by 0.7% in Asia, and in fact the gold subsector actually managing a gain of 4.3% today. Stocks like Silver Lake Resources, a gold miner, up by 10.1%, so that was one standout area. And I have to say that the iron ore miners are worth a mention as well. We actually saw BHP, Rio Tinto, turning positive late in the session. BHP ending in the black, up by 0.2%. Rio Tinto was up by 0.3%. Fortescue saw bargain hunting all day, finishing the session up by 2.9%. These stocks are important because they are testing the 200-day moving average at the moment. If we continue to see strength here, then that could signal that we are seeing buyers stepping in here. And we have seen brokers like JP Morgan as well as RBS adding to positions or recommending adding to positions here as well. We've also seen the Global Iron Ore Conference over in Perth, the last day of it, and we have seen stocks like Atlas Iron, BCI and Jindawi, as well as Mount Gibson Iron Ore having presentations today. Some of these performances were good. Atlas was flat, Jindawi was up by 3.2%. We also saw BC Iron up by 3.3%, but Mount Gibson actually going the other way and actually losing 18% today.